Hi, welcome to Om R Techno channel. In this video, I show you how to draw face step by step. So let's start it. The first step is to draw circle. I am making a dark so the constructions are clear, but try to your construction lines are very light. Okay, now it's formed complete circle. Next step is to create horizontal and vertical line that's going center of your circle. This is the horizontal line or brow line or eyebrows go. And this is the middle line or vertical line. Since the side of human head is more flat, let's cut off the side of the circle. The cut of just right amount, split these sections into 3 equal spaces from center of a circle to the top. Do the same for bottom half. The top third to mark top of cut. And bottom third mark bottom. Cut other side also. This is brow line. This is the hairline. And this one is the nose line. And here find out the chin. So to find chin line, simply take measurement from brow to nose and bring it down here. When the average male face all these features going evenly. Now we have 4 horizontal lines that space evenly apart. Just doing double check. To complete your head shape, we need to draw jawline. Extend down little and curve to the chin. You drawing other side. Make sure corner of your jaw lines up. The one side is not higher than the other. Now we have complete head shape. There are 2 more lines we will draw. The eye line goes between brow and nose and is about third of way down. And then between nose and chin, here is a mouth which is little closer to the nose. Let's start adding its features now. Ears are attached to the side of the head and goes brow to nose. Start your stroke near the eyeline using brow and nose as a boundary. Between the ears is started and ended, draw a bump, extend it down up to the right and then to the left. Now draw similar shape to the outer earline as a guideline that run closer to the edge. Now draw his another ear. Drawing rest of its features is very intimidating. Before actually we draw any of them, we need to learn where each feature is on the face. A good way to approach this, first practice to draw human skull because it's very helpful to understand the structure beneath on that skin. Study and draw the skull from many angles. There are many apps and online references to use study from. The learning draw to planar head is also coming handy. It basically blocks a simplified version of the head, where it's broken down into simple shapes. When you practice drawing this, it helps better visualize where the facial feature go, and he give better grasp in the subject in three-dimensional space. With these two references, you're gonna probably visualize where the features go already. It takes some time to learn this, but put it a time, your drawing skill level up dramatically. You can go right ahead and actually draw the planar head over your drawing very lightly to block out the different sections from one another. Along the brow line, let's draw his eyebrows. Slide them up at the end. Draw the other eyebrow. Draw making sure each corner is level with the first one. Use the planar sketch to draw the nose. I am going rest of his nose on the line labeled the nose, balancing along the middle line to keep his face looking symmetrical. The middle line and nose intersect. Draw a small curve. And above that, right and left, draw his nostril. To place his eyes, draw a vertical line from wing up nose going up. Okay, now drawing eyes. Let's add crease at the top. It just roughly follow the eye shape. Okay, now let's draw the lips. The middle, draw a curve. In sides, draw wavy lines in your choice. Draw the outline of these top lips, creating an U-like shape. The bottom lips is like very wide U shape. So let's draw on the face now. Let's draw its cheeks now. You want to really define its cheeks, but don't know where is the start. It helps to visualize the skull. Also know where the cheekbone ends. It helps to understand which area you can hollow out. For his jaw, use your construction line as a rough guide. I am giving him a dumbbell chin. For his neck, draw and visualize line from end of the eye or eyebrows. Going down, that's how thick. The side of the head is more rounded than the top. So round off the corners and make straight line more curvy. To draw his hair, to use hairline as a reference point. To draw above or below this to give larger or smaller forehead. Give his hair along more volume. First select where is the parting line to be where he part his hair. Then drawing hairs on both sides. Let's give this guy a cool standy hairstyle. Long at the top and shorter at the sides. Let's add some more details. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget hit the like button and subscribe my channel to more videos like this.